Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you get and extract the month from a date in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, you want to go ahead and either create a new workbook or load an existing one that you want to edit. So let's go ahead and enter our workbook guys here. As you can see here we have a table, and at the end of the table there is a date right here for which we want to extract the month for. So guys, how do you do it? Well, it's very easy. First thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the column where you want to extract the month to. So as you can see here, we can start typing in our column and we're going to start typing in our text. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and enter the following formula. We want to enter equals, then you want to type in text and open the semicolons. Then guys, you want to go ahead and type in the value of this column right here. You want to click on it. As you can see, this is A14. Then you want to go and enter a semicolon. Then you want to enter the following. You want to add this. You want to type in M, 4 M's guys. You want to do that, and then you want to go ahead and close the parentheses right here. And after doing that guys, you can see, go ahead and click on enter, and now this will give you what month it is in your language, of course. Here you can see it says January, as this is the January in the date. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.